Number 3, number 2, number 1. Come on, take.
Hi, I am Instructor Daphne. My friends and coworkers call me Daph. I'm an outgoing person. I like socializing and hanging out with friends. I enjoy being physically active. But because of this pandemic, my outdoor activities become limited. Now, I'm into longboarding. I could say it's similar to skateboarding. I started to loving it because it keeps me going and gives me something interesting to do with my time. But it's not easy. I have to rotate my front foot and shoulders forward, drop my back foot to the ground, and do a small push. To be honest, I came to the point of giving up. I even told myself to stop. I experienced failing 19 times and still not getting good at it. But then, I realized that giving up is not an option. So I push and try and try and try again until I made it on the 20th times. And now, in my free time, I used to enjoy it. I have learned that if you really want to be good at one thing, you have to put effort and time on it. Longboarding or skateboarding, whatever you call it, is like learning English. Not all people are very much of expressing themselves. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Do not be shy to make mistakes or to fail. Stand up. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become. So conquer that fear and blank space in you. Keep on soaring and dreaming of becoming great. Again, this is Instructor Daphne. I hope you enjoy this video clip. Remember, the only way you can get good is to actually do it. Just try. See you next time. Bye!